we are today at DDS. We're going to be demoing the bear hug on some 6-inch 13.5 polyethylene pipe. Today for the demo, we're going to forego putting the static grounding rod onto the tool just based on the fact that it's a demo and the ground is a little bit hard today. So why not? Let's go check it out. So we're going to connect the manual pump up. Now you adjust the pump lever to the release position to open the tool. The tool has color-coded stops, so you find it on one side and just match it on the other. You set the pump to squeeze, and you start going down slowly. The ASTM standards for squeeze and release rates are also on this tool as well. The pump has two different stages. Once it comes in contact with the pipe, the speed of the tool slows down, but it makes it easier to raise and lower the bar. Momentarily stop to let the pipe relax. You want to increase those times in colder weather. Normally it's about double. Once you get down to a certain point, you can install the 4 saddle bolts. As he's pumping, the bolts are going to rise, and we'll just continually thread them in. That's just in case of any hydraulic failure or any cuts in the hoses or anything like that, you're not going to lose pressure. So in order to satisfactorily control flow, you need to either be able to touch the stops or reach 10,000 PSI, whichever comes first. And there we have it. The pipe is now squeezed off. You'll be able to do any repairs that you needed to. Before you release the pipe, you got to make sure all 4 saddle bolts are disengaged with the bottom saddle clamp threads. Quickly move the control lever to the neutral position, and then slowly and carefully to the release position. It's recommended to do a 1/2 inch and then pause. So when the tool no longer opens due to the pipe pressure, you can fully release the tool from the pipe. And then for maintenance for the tool, just make sure there's all the moving parts are unblocked, free of any debris. You want to make sure that you store it in the closed position with the cylinders all the way fully retracted. And that is how you use the bear hug squeeze tool.